Think right, think less. How to stop overthinking. In this video, I'm going to share some tips to help you think right and think less. Everything is very easy. It's very easy to take care of our health, to keep relationships smooth. Is it easy to remain stable whenever there is a challenge in life? We would feel earlier that it is very difficult, but it is actually very easy. But in order to shift everything from being difficult to easy, what was the only thing we were supposed to do? Whatever is taking care of everything else, we just need to take care of it. And who is that who has to cross every scene of life? I, right? I. Who creates our relationships? I. Who is influencing our health? I. Who is taking care of our work or business? I. If there is a challenge in that workplace or business, who will handle it? I. It's like you have a certain things which will do to every task in your life. Everything is going to happen from the I. But that I is saying, I don't have time for myself. It's like you have something which will do to every task in your life. Everything. Name anything in your life, and it is that I who has to do it, right? So the question is, how much should we prioritize that I? Think about it. How much do we prioritize I? Today, even if you consider the phone, a phone does a lot of our tasks. That's why we don't leave the house in the morning without charging it. We say, it's my phone. How can I leave the house without charging it? If we want to go from one place to the other, we use GPS on the phone. Of course, other things like messages, emails, calls, listening to songs, watching videos, shopping online, booking tickets. Majority of our work is happening through the phone itself. Do we ever forget to charge the phone? No, because we know that we cannot complete our tasks throughout the day without charging that phone. But who is the one using that phone? I. There is a useful object, but putting it to good use. I have a good phone, but I don't know half of its features. Then I am not using it to its potential, right? So the I is not equipped to use it right. So the I should be capable. But we are repeatedly saying and hearing, I don't have time. Have you ever said it to yourself? Probably yes. I used to say it to myself as well. But when do we have the time? So saying I don't have time has become so common that because we keep repeating that sentence, I don't have time, I don't have time, and we really realize that we are lacking of time in our life. Now the question is, don't we have time or don't we have power? When we have to do a task, we need to ask ourselves, does the I have the power to do it? Isn't it? Today, the I is taking longer or more time to complete any task. Because when this I gets ready to begin the work, a lot of things are going on within it. So physically, you have switched from your home to work. But the I can go to both places, your work and your home. Despite being at the workplace, it can visit your home. Or being at your home, it can visit your workplace. So at any point of time, it is doing multiple things. So when someone says something to me, I start overthinking. And I need to finish that with one thought. But today I am creating 10 thoughts in my mind. How could they say it? Why did they say it? No matter how hard I work, they keep saying such things. We keep on thinking and thinking and thinking. How many thoughts were we supposed to spend on that matter? Just one. But how many thoughts do we have? The task which was supposed to finish with one thought, that task is getting stretched and it can go on for 1 hour and beyond. We are doing some other tasks, but that topic is going on in the background of our mind. You have to stop thinking in terms of what you have done before, or what's been possible in the past, or even what other people have done. If you want to look to what people have done, look for inspiration. We need to heal ourselves by taking care of our body, taking care of our mind, by having a body that works well, that functions well, right? Just being authentic to yourself and be your best possible health, because you deserve that. You deserve to take care of your body. You deserve to feel good. You deserve to heal. Remember, just keep reminding yourself that anything is possible, because your past doesn't determine your future. All things are possible. Just be aware to where you put your attention, because where focus goes, energy flows, result shows. Use it as an affirmation. Everything is possible for me. I am exactly where I need to be. And everything is always working out for me. Also, not let other people's limiting beliefs about themselves affect you or even stop you. Choose your story. Choose your thoughts, meaning be aware of your senses that inspire thoughts. Thoughts lead to dialogue. Dialogue inspires emotions. Emotions lead to the actions, and actions give you the result. We also need to give ourselves love, self-love and acceptance. I used to be frustrated when I don't get results soon enough. I would kind of give up, but I learned being patient with myself is key to happiness, and feel good about who I am in order to be who I want to become. That's when I stopped being so hard on myself and stopped self-sabotaging myself. And then I saw a result on my physical and mental health, little by little, and then all at once. Just tell yourself and feel it when you say it. I love you. You are perfect the way you are. Thank you for everything you do for me already. And that will help you to stop self-sabotaging yourself. You see, it's a journey. Of course, there is ups and downs. Healing, there is also ups and downs. You can go for months with acceptance and accepting every cute little things and every little mistakes and imperfections you have. And then you hate yourself for a week. And that's okay, because you are going to come right back to that self-love. As long as you don't get stuck in that low mindset, low vibrations of hate to yourself and confusing and forgetting who you really are and how beautiful you really are. So remember, just come back to that place of self-love. And when receiving compliments from other people, accept them, thank them, and appreciate that compliment. Feel it inside your heart. Just receive it with open heart. Gratitude also is very powerful. Be grateful for life, for breathing. Be grateful for getting up every morning. There is a lot of potential in gratitude. In gratitude is where everything that we desire lies in that frequency of gratitude. So just be grateful for the journey, and that will get you exactly where you are meant to be. So those are my tips about how to stop overthinking in order to think right and think less. It will also help you to change your mind and change your life.